You know, this is a whole new level of shenanigans, even for you. An upside down tree. Lisa is going to be so infuriated with you.
I didn't know what else to do. This tree wouldn't stand right, so I thought let's put it upside down, and it seemed to work.
This is the most oddball idea ever. She's going to be so. You have no
Sometimes
idea when
oddball
you.
works. It really does, and I think this might be the case. She put all the ornaments on once we got it home.
So this is like for real. This isn't just your April Fool's joke
No,
in
this is a
December.
legitimate tree that we have in the store. It's
I
pretty
don't.
cool.
I don't know, Tom. I don't know. I think this is you messing with
It's
her.
not me. You're giving me way too much credit. I
Hmm.
don't have that much
It would have
creativity.
been genius. Well,
Yeah.
now that I know it's not your idea, I love it.
Yeah, it's
I
pretty
love
cool.
it.
And I love all the ornaments that she put on. It's kind of eclectic. A lot of
Yeah,
glass, a lot of color. It is really, really cool. It's worth coming in just for this.
absolutely. But only because I know it's not your idea, right?
Fair enough. It's
Yeah,
not my idea.
not your idea.
Not at all.
Come see the upside down tree.